Hi, my name's TLevel. I'm the Plumbing and Gas lecturer at Kendal College. I'm also lead IQA, which means that I oversee the courses and make sure that we deliver quality. I've worked in the plumbing and heating industry since leaving school, hence I've been in the industry for over 35 years. I'm very proud and privileged to work in the industry that I work in. I've worked at all levels in industry. We deliver a vast selection of courses which start at level 1 and ascend right the way up to level 3. We're very proud to be introducing the TLevel Building Services and Engineering course, which will enable learners to progress to industry or to a high level of education, which includes university. The TLevel is equivalent to 3 A-levels and will be the first college in Cumbria to be able to do this. Anybody that's interested, or you think you might be interested in forging a career in the plumbing and heating industry, check out our website for courses available, or you can come in for an informal chat or do a chat on Teams. We have lots of things to cater for individuals. We can provide bespoke training courses or accredited training courses or reassessment. For more information, look on the website or you can contact me direct at stuartlevel@kendal.ac.uk.